Hey friends, so it's literally a hot ass scorching day in New York City. Literally there is a scorching hot day in New York City. So I'm headed home, got me some stuff for my 4th of July party. But I'm going to tell you guys about my total life changes. I haven't did a video, and I need to do a video on total life changes. And I'm not focusing on the product because the products work. If you need to detox, if you need to cleanse, if you need to go to the bathroom, if you're a cancer survivor, you know, all that stuff, you need to detox and cleanse, go to the bathroom and lose some weight. So the product work, everybody I know that I sold it to, it works for them, okay? I make at least minimum, just with TLC in my back office, about $500 a month. And then offline, literally, I can make $250 to $1,000 a week with tea. Ain't that incredible? So I want to tell you about the total life change profit margin. So if you're looking for a multi-level marketing company, and you're like, I don't know what the best multi-level marketing company is, I don't know, you know, what the best product is. When you find a network marketing company, I have a network marketing series in the link below. But when you find, or you're looking for a network marketing company, look for the longevity of it. See how long the company has been around. Then, if the products work, not just one-time product work. I'm talking about products continue to work for years. I've been taking this tea for 3 years and it works 3 years later. Okay, I've been taking NRG. The NRG works 3 years later. I've been drinking a NutriBurst. It works 3 years later. Okay, so look for products that actually work, that's affordable and consumable, and you can get paid a decent amount of money on them. Plus the company has a track record. So I've been with TLC 3 years, made about $85,000. With total life changes, I lost over 100 pounds. I go to the bathroom regularly now. I have energy. I feel good. I think clearer now because of these products. But I just want to simply tell you guys, right? We have something called the ISO tea, the instant tea, and the boiling. So this is the instant, of course. All you do is just put it in your water, shake it up, drink it. This is the boiling. So the instant tea and then the boiling tea. So I love this better because this is the original tea and it works faster. This, of course, is just more for convenient for the people that don't want to boil the tea and sit it in their home for a week or whatever, okay? So how the profits on this tea works, which helped me make 85 grand in 3 years with this doggone company, okay? I'm never leaving TLC. I'm never joining another health and wellness because it doesn't make sense. TLC profit margins are the best. Okay, we have the best leadership in TLC, black people. Okay, so I absolutely love it. So if you're looking to start your health and wellness journey, I suggest you do it with TLC because the products are affordable and they work. Okay, it's like you'll get addicted. Like I'm addicted to the coffee. I'm addicted to the NutriBurst. The coffee and the NutriBurst, those are my favorite 2 products in TLC. So I'm going to tell you how the money works with TLC. TLC allows you, let me not yell because I get excited. TLC allows you as the rep, as the IBO, as the business owner to become your own customer. Now tell me what company allows you to become your own customer. That means get paid on yourself. There's 0 companies out there that allow you to get paid on yourself just like as a customer. There's companies that allow you to get paid on yourself, but it's only 10%. See, TLC allows you to become your own customer and you have the customer benefits. The benefits is you get 50%. So I'm an IBO with TLC. I'm on a 120 active auto ship. Right? I get my 3 products every month. But on top of that, if I wanted to order something and get money back, guess what? I'll still get 50% as my own customer. That is crazy. That's incredible all right there by itself. Okay? So how the money works. You can get a month's supply of tea from Total Life Changes for $55. Okay? What's going to happen is Total Life Changes, well, just say $50, okay? Total Life Changes is going to send you a check for $20 because this is considered volume of 40. You don't get paid on the actual money amount. You get paid on the volume amount. So the volume of a month's supply of tea is 40. So you're going to get $20. So you're only spending $50 to get a month's supply of tea, which is 5 packs and 40 points, okay? 40 points now sets you up to now get $20. So you really only pay $30 for a month's supply of tea. Just do the math, right? Just do the math. 5 divided by 30 is what? You do the math. It's not rocket science. So 5 divided by 30 is what? 6. So basically, you're getting each pack of tea for $6. Okay? If you become your own customer. You're getting each pack of tea, friends, for $6. So that's 5 packs of tea. You go out and sell each pack of tea for $20. How much is that? You got tea for $6. You spent $30 for a 5 pack of tea. You go now, you go out now and talk to your friends, family, co-workers, people on social media, and sell 1 pack of tea for $20. How much did you make? Because you can sell this tea anywhere from $10 to $25, and people will pay it. Trust and believe it. I didn't believe it at first. I was like, people ain't paying no $20 for tea. You kidding me? I think ain't nobody paying no damn $20 for no doggone tea. Y'all must be done lost your mind. It's not until I started selling the tea. I was like, oh shit, people really paying $20, $25 for a pack of tea. Like, for real. So how much is that? You pay $30. TLC is already sending you a $20 check. So you're going to get a $20 check in the mail. Okay? Now you go out in the first week of joining, you go sell 5 packs of tea. How much is that? That's $100. You just made $100 and you only spent $30. You spent $30. And you go sell 5 packs of tea, each one for $20. That's $100 doggone dollars. So your profit was basically $70. Plus TLC sending you a $20 check. That's $90. You made $90 on 5 packs of doggone tea. Where they do that at? 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 They gonna clean up. Where they do that at? So when people say, oh, I don't know about Total Life Changes, oh, I don't know, guess what? You can't afford not to get a part of this pie, okay? TLC brings $15 million a month. How much of that are you getting? Hey, baby, I'm getting at least 1,000 of that a month, so it's up to you guys. But I love Total Life Changes. TLC is not going anywhere. We've been around 20 years. I'm looking to partner up with women that want to lose weight, that want to go to the bathroom, okay, that want to have more energy, that want to be free, okay, and think clearer and make an extra $250 a week. That's it. That's all I do. That's all I'm interested in helping. So guess what? Guess what? Guess what, friends? Go to workwithtanisha.com, watch the presentation, watch the breakdown, and also listen to the call. Okay, it's a call I'm going to put below. You listen to the call and get yourself involved with something. We got some phenomenal products. We got some amazing events that we go to. We got some amazing leadership here. The products work. What else do you need? You know, remember, I always tell people you need a business to start part-time. 2 hours a day. A physical product, especially if you have a whole lot of people at your church, whole lot of people at your job, whole lot of people in your complex, your duplex, or your area, your community. People in my community buy my tea. People at my church buy my tea. My daughters, you know, they got dance class, they buy my tea. Money on demand, baby. 85 grand part-time in 3 years is like a miracle. Some people make 8 million. Some people make $1 million. Some people make $3 million, $5 million. Some people making $1,000. you can come here and do what you want. Just work with integrity. So work with Tanisha.com, guys. See you soon.